After receiving the instrument, lay the flight case flat on the ground with the buckles facing up. Push the clasp up and then pull it down to open. Repeat on the other side. Open and remove all accessories and the body. All accessories included: multi-dimensional ultrasound handle, temperature control activation handle, energy patch, multi-dimensional ultrasound replacement probe, temperature control activation probe replacement, power cord, hexagonal wrench, handle bracket. Get the handle bracket ready. Take out the left bracket with the opening facing outwards. Align the bracket hole with the machine hole and press down to install. The same operation is performed on the right bracket. Preparing the multi-dimensional ultrasound handle. Connect the handle interface to the corresponding hole on the back of the instrument. When plugging in, the red dot on the connector should correspond to the red dot on the back of the instrument. When disassembling, grab the metal ring of the interface and pull outwards. Do not pull the wire directly. Replacement handle heads ready. When attaching the replacement head to the handle, align the hose and press it in. To replace the handle probe, press and hold the upper button and pull it out. Then place the controller on the left stand with the handle screen facing the same direction as the console. Get your energy patch ready. Align the connector with the rear hole. With the arrow mark on the connector facing upward, align the connector and insert it. When unplugging, grasp the interface. Do not pull directly on the wire. Temperature control activation handle ready. The interface is located on the front of the machine. Align the interface hole. Plug the interface tightly. There is a switch prompt on the interface knob. Turn the knob clockwise to lock the interface. Replacement handle heads ready. When replacing the head connection handle, align it with the hole and press it to install the probe. To replace the probe, press and hold the buttons on both sides and pull it out. When replacing the temperature control activation head, there are water drops that need to be wiped clean. Then place the controller on the right stand, with the controller screen facing the same direction as the console. When disassembly is required, we rotate the interface knob counterclockwise to unlock and unplug the plug. Before starting the instrument, fill it with water. Pull out the water-filling hole plug on the back of the instrument and insert the funnel. Then add clean water to the water-filling hole until it is filled to the lower mark. Then pull out the funnel and replace the stopper. Have the power cord ready. Align the power cord with the hole on the back of the machine and insert the cord, making sure it goes as far as it will go. Then turn on the switch to start the device. After booting up and entering the interface, click on the lower left corner to register user information. Fields marked with a red asterisk are required. Click the edit icon on the right side of the user information to modify the user information. Long press the user to delete the user information. After selecting the user, click Enter to enter the handle selection interface. Selecting a multi-dimensional ultrasound head. Select dot mode and line mode in the upper left corner. On the right you can see the probe model and probe depths, and you can adjust the spacing and length. The middle area adjusts the energy intensity. The maximum energy intensity is R, the minimum is 0.05. It is recommended to start from 0.3 and increase by 0.1 each time. The lower left corner shows the preset number of shots and the actual number of shots. Click Start to start working. Press the handle button once to fire a round. There are 3 buttons below the handle screen. 加 is the adjustment button, and S is for switching adjustment modes. As you adjust the value on the console screen will change to match the value on the controller screen. It is recommended that the right spacing start from 1.6 and the length start from 25, and the values can be adjusted based on customer perception. Switch line mode in the upper left corner. Adjust the length value on the right. It is recommended to start from 25. The maximum strength is R, the minimum is 0.05, and it is recommended to start with 0.4. The method of adjusting the number of bullets is the same as the point mode. Replace the handle probe. To replace, press the button on the handle and pull upward. Take out the head that needs to be replaced and press it according to the installation position to install it. Once the installation is complete, the screen will update with the controller information. Select Temperature Activated Handle. Adjust the manual mode and automatic mode in the upper left corner. The snowflake icon above adjusts the controller cooling effect. It is recommended to start from R. The right side shows the handle probe model and depth. Energy minimum 1, maximum 20. It is recommended to start with 4 and adjust according to customer perception, increasing by R each time. Click Start and press the handle button to start working. There are 3 buttons below the handle screen. 加 is the adjustment button and S is the switch adjustment mode. When adjusting the value on the console screen will change with the value on the controller screen. Click pause to switch modes and switch to automatic mode. After adjusting the values, we can start working. After pressing the handle button, the handle will start working automatically. Replace the handle probe. To replace, press the buttons on the left and right sides of the handle and pull it out. When unplugging the probe, please wipe off the water drops on the probe interface before replacing the probe. Take out the head that needs to be replaced and press it according to the installation position to install it. After the installation is complete, the screen will update the controller information.